Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing, getting to her. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and I'll go about giving you all her details and my thoughts and opinions on her. All right, folks, come on, let's go. Alright, so while this lace is melting, I figured I'd give you some details on Miss Thing. So again, this is the Outre wig. She's from the Melted Hairline collection, Kinky Soft Edges. Miss Thing is a made to match texture edges. She's HD transparent late. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. She's supposed to be glueless, and she has a pre-attached elastic band. I got her in the number 2, and she's 16 inches. She comes pre-plucked with hairline sideburns, own hair. Kinky Soft Edges wigs have curly and coily edges that are carefully customized to match the overall style. The hairstyle has the same softness, kinkiness, and curl pattern as the rest of the wig for the seamless, realistic look. Now, this is Kinky Soft Edges. She does have kinky edges, but Outre is not lying. It's a little bit more on the soft side than the texture side. So that's just that. So let me go ahead and finish fixing up my hair, and then I give you my opinion on her. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to my thoughts and opinions on Outre's Kinky Soft Edges. Now, this synthetic wig, I absolutely love the look, the cut, the style of her. The number 2 is always giving, you already know how I feel about my 1-1Bs and the number 2s. That's not the point. The point that I'm trying to make here, let's get to the point. The point that I'm trying to make here is Outre done did it again. I'm not even gonna lie. Now, mind you, she's not as textured as Sensational's Kinky Curly Co. Outre is giving more of a 4B than a 4C type of look. The stock card gives off a little bit more of a 4C-ish. like blown out. But yeah, other than that, I think she's adorable. My only other con would be the fact that she's not ear to ear, but again, you can probably blend her with your own hair if you have enough in the front. Unlike myself, I need full coverage. Full coverage, baby. Lace ear to ear, that's what I need. Would I go about buying this wig again? Honestly, I probably wouldn't hesitate. She is adorable. Whether she's a 4C, 4B, 4 whatever, she's giving all types of looks. You hear me? The only other thing that I would say is that she just had a middle part. She's a middle part wig and she doesn't have a lot of versatility. But other than that, I would definitely get her again for the price. Where would I wear her to? She's giving Sunday morning. She's giving picnic in the park. She's giving, not in this weather, it's too cold outside. But she is giving, I can't wait for spring to come around so I can show up and show out. That's what she's giving. Okay. And that is definitely my opinion on Miss Thing, Miss Kinky Soft Edges. I would actually like to try another Outre Kinky Soft Edge. But this one, yeah, she's staying in my collection. I ain't selling this one. She's too cute. Too cute. Let me know in the comments what you think. And that is my opinion and thoughts on this week. So that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this all the way to the end. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Alright folks. Love you. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.